use this if you wanted, fill it full of mesh and be good to go. But I am going to actually pile those together, and that's going to give us our swag base. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. I have half of a little skeleton. So let's get our swag bases attached. Okay, so I'm just going to lay this right down in the center. Clip it off. We don't need it. We can use it for filler later if we need to. I have finished putting the mesh on our swag base. I just went all around the outside. I did not, it's kind of squished in, but I just went on the outside. So now we're going to kind of part the Z's a little bit, and we're going to get Mr. Skeleton. So I want him right about here. So he's going to sit right in.